Baingan ka bharta. I roasted the baingan, one big baingan.
Go ahead.
This baingan, I took about big baingan and roasted and mash up. 1 cup of tomatoes crushed, 1 cup of onion, 1 chili, maybe 1 tablespoon of ginger. That's all. Ready?
Yeah.
3 tablespoon of oil. Half teaspoon of jeera. That's optional. English if you don't like, don't. Pinch of it. Adding the ginger, chili, on medium heat. Slightly roasted and I'm going to add it. Did not add anything, just bay leaf and clove. Like in this we don't put. Main is ginger, green chili, not much is spice in this.
What?
They are slightly brown. I will add tomatoes now. Don't let them burn, just slightly. Less than half teaspoon turmeric, little red chili because we use green chili already. It start leaving oil like this. That's jeera rice. See?
Why so low heat?
Because I don't want to. I'm watching this and this same time you can put very high. This is this ready now. Put cilantro and some garam masala.
You don't cook it anymore?
Just leave it on low heat.
Oh, because you roasted it already.
Yeah. Leave it on low heat. Put cilantro. Try this all.